Question: show that del AP del XQ is not a tensor even though AP is a covariant tensor of rank 1. Since AP is a tensor, so according to the transformation equations, we can write AJ bar is equal to del XP del X bar J AP. Now differentiating both sides with respect to X bar K, we have del X bar K A bar J is equal to del X bar K del XP del X bar J AP. So first del XP del X bar J will come out, then del AP del X bar K. Next, differentiate first term, AP will come out, del 2 XP del X bar K del X bar J. Then rewrite this first term like this, del XP del X bar J. You rewrite this like this, del AP del XQ del XQ del X bar K, and the second term as it was. Next, you change the positions, del XP del X bar J del XQ del X bar K del AP del XQ, and second term remain as it is. So this implies, so you can write this del X bar J del XK as A bar JK. So the X del XP del X bar J del XQ del X bar K. Okay, then you can write this term as A PQ and the second term as it is. If you consider this portion, then you will see that APQ is a tensor of rank 2 having two covariant components. But AJK, you see here one term is there, AP, which is not equal to 0. So AJK is this plus this. So AJK, I mean this is A del A bar J del X bar K is not in accordance with the transformation laws or chain rules. So we can say that APQ, that means del AP del Q is not a tensor, whereas APJ covariant tensor of rank 1. Next question, show that the velocity of a fluid at any point is a contravariant tensor of rank 1. Solution: the velocity of a fluid at any point has components dxk dt in the coordinate system xk. In the coordinate system x bar j, the velocity is dx bar j dt. You know what is velocity? ds dt. So velocity you can write dx dt. So in coordinate system k, xk, the velocity, suppose vk is equal to dxk dt. Similarly, v bar j is equal to dx bar j dt. You can write like this. Now we can write the expression dx bar j dt like this, dx bar j d xk dxk dt, and this implies what? This implies what? v bar j is equal to dx bar j dxk v k. Now you see, as per chain rule, so this gives the transformation for a tensor, transformation equations for a tensor. So vk is a tensor of rank 1 having one contravariant component. Hence we say that velocity is a tensor of rank 1 having one contravariant component. Next, evaluate delta PQ A Q R S. So what is your answer? Delta PQ A Q R S. Here you have seen that delta PQ, this is nothing but a Kronecker delta, and this is equal to A Q R S when P is equal to Q. Why? When P is equal to Q? When P is equal to Q, delta PQ is equal to 1 or is equal to 0 when P not equal to Q. Why? When P not equal to Q, then Kronecker delta is equal to 0. But mind it, you cannot write like this. Delta P Q A Q R S is equal to, if you make a contraction QQ, suppose C P R S. So this will be wrong. So you cannot do the contraction here because this is a Kronecker delta. Already we know when P is equal to Q, Kronecker delta is equal to 1. When P not equal to Q, Kronecker delta is equal to 0. Next, evaluate delta PQ, delta QR. There are two Kronecker deltas are there, delta PQ, Kronecker delta, delta QR, Kronecker delta. So what is our solution? What is the solution? Solution is demand DC is equal to, make the contraction delta PR. Next question, show that delta XP, delta XQ is equal to Kronecker delta, delta PQ. Okay. If P is equal to Q, we can write delta XP, delta XQ is equal to delta XP, delta XP is equal to 1. If P not equal to Q, then delta XP, delta XQ is equal to 0, because in this case delta XP is independent of delta XQ. So there is no change of delta XP with respect to no change of XP with respect to XQ. So differentiation is nil, that is 0. So thus we have seen that, so this expression is nothing but delta XP, delta XQ is nothing but PQ, because delta PQ Kronecker delta is equal to 1 when P is equal to Q, and Kronecker delta is equal to 0 when P not equal to 0. So we can say that delta XP, delta XQ is equal to delta PQ. Thank you.